Ghostface is gonna give a dog a treat.
Dog needs to get the hell out of here.
Sit. You want the Tootsie Roll? Sit. Give me a paw.
Tell her give you
Nice to
5.
meet ya. Huh?
Tell her give you 5.
High five. Up top, dog.
Now it's gonna take her forever to eat it. Really?
Look how she eats it.
She can't.
Give me the camera. I'll videotape her doing it. Oh, she's done.
She's done.
Come on. Up.
She's trying to give you her paw.
Up. This one, ready? Speak.
She don't. Tell her take it nice.
Nice. Take 2, ready? Eat it. You stinky ass breath. Your stinky ass breath. Holy shit, I think she just swallowed that hole. Did she swallow that hole?
I think so. Unless it's on the ground.
No, I think she swallowed it whole.
Oh my god.
One that comes out the other end.
I ain't cleaning it.
That clearly didn't either. Come on, Mr. Ghostface. I can't get this open.
Give it to me.
I got it, I think. You want this?
What are you giving her?
What is this? I think it's an orange or one of those fucking tropical ones you got yesterday. Yes? Yes?
What are you doing in here?
Stop it, stop it.